Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is Andrea. I wish that you had an amazing weekend. I had an amazing weekend as well, as a balance of peace and serenity and grinding for work. But it was balanced. It was well balanced and prepared, planned out, and exciting. Have you ever stopped in your tracks and stepped outside of your home, your apartment, your complex, your vehicle, and just listened? Now, I don't know if you can hear you right now. I've got people across the way enjoying the summer, the weather, the cool breeze of the evening night. You can hear in the distance the frogs, the birds. This morning I was graced with presence. I was graced and just amazed. And there's my friend the robin. Just amazed with the beautiful sight in our backyard of a young deer. It was so beautiful and so innocent that he had right here on each side of his head, and my robin wants to interfere, but on each side of his head right here was little nubs of the beginning of his antlers. What is your serenity? What is your environment saying to you? Are you taking the moment, the time, the efforts, and the patience to appreciate wildlife, to appreciate nature? As you can see, I have brought my comfortable papasan chair to the lawn in beautiful white floral foliage underneath. I've got a blanket around my feet to avoid the bites from the bugs and insects. But that doesn't stop me from bringing daily content. This morning I was able to witness and observe a beautiful piece of nature, a young fawn, doe if you will. Actually, pardon me, it wasn't a doe, it was a male deer. And he was just relaxing in the lawn on the bed of grass, just in the sunlight. And I'll include a picture of what I woke up to this morning as I was preparing for my day and my show. It was just so beautiful, so peaceful. Up here in the mountains, we take things for granted. And when you take a moment to allow yourself to just step outside and breathe in the fresh air and really appreciate all that is around us. The lush grass, the songs of birds, the bellowing of frogs, and what I was graced with this morning, a beautiful deer on our lawn in the morning sun, being sun-kissed in the early hours of the day. The laughter from the families enjoying summer. These are priceless, momentous gifts that we take for granted. Yes, is it important to service and provide for your family? Of course. Yes, is it important that you get your tasks done in a timely manner? Of course. But just in life's balance as it is as a whole, make sure your mind, body, and spirit are in perfect alignment and harmony. Allow yourself to relax, to go out on your porch, to go out in your lawn, to go on your balcony, or take a walk around the block. Ground yourself with nature. Bring back the essence of all senses. Bring back the life of your spirit and soul connected to the world, the universe, and our Creator. These are the finer gifts in life that are priceless but valuable. With every season, there's a reason for change and transformation. With every season, there's an experience, a lesson that is learned. Make it your mission to get out into nature and to reconnect with Mother Earth. For it is significant, it is important that you ground yourself, you find your alignment with who you are and where you've been. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown and your personal accountability coach. Thank you for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Be well, my friends.